Hello, good morning. Today I'll be teaching you how to apply your eyeshadow and do a complete makeup. I showed you this eyebrow tutorial on this same model the other time. So today I'll just show you how to apply eyeshadow. So right now I'm putting eyeshadow primer on an eyelid. It's just very easy. You just take very little quantity and you just tap on your eyelid. It shouldn't be too much, just a moderate size. You tap to your eyelid and make sure it's very smooth. Guys, if it's not smooth, don't apply your eyeshadow yet. It should be smooth before eyeshadow comes in. So for eyeshadow primer, I can tell you some products to buy. There's classic eyeshadow primer, there's Tara eyeshadow primer. So what the primer does is it makes the eyeshadow pop and it makes it last longer and it makes it not to have lines crack. So that's the work of the eyeshadow primer. So you just apply and use your hand to blend thoroughly. So that's the work of the eyeshadow primer. So it's either you are buying classic eyeshadow primer, guys, or Tara. As I'm listing it, you can just write it on a note now. So now I'm applying my eyeshadow. So now I'm just using this soft brush to apply eyeshadow, and this eyeshadow I'm using is very sweet. It's a shiny eyeshadow. It's not matte. I just apply the eyeshadow with that brush. So the brush is I just use a soft blending brush in applying the eyeshadow so that the application will be very neat. So but once you just get your eyeshadow primer base well, once you put the eyeshadow, it will be as fine as this. Once you are placing the eyeshadow, it will be as fine as this. So that is it, guys. So I'm going over to put my eyeliner. I'm lining the eyes with my liquid liner. So for liquid liner, there are different products. There is Kiss Beauty, there is Just Gold. There are different products in the market, just to know what works for you. So I'm putting my under eyeliner. You know these ones now. Some people call it Kaja. Some people call it, this one to just make the under eyes very beautiful. So after that, because I think I fixed my lashes off camera. After that, I'm cleaning the face. After you finish eye work, it's good to clean your face so that you prepare for the next thing, which is your base, your primer. You apply your primer to the face. So your face should be clean first before applying your face primer to the face. And you know the work of the face primer now, it makes the makeup last, make it hold very well to the face. It's like a base before your foundation. So you apply your primer. There are different kind of primer. There's Kiss Beauty primer, there's Pond's primer. So anyone you can afford, you buy a base, that is a primer, and you put it in the face before you start foundation. So for foundation now, I'm using Avo foundation. There are so many foundations you can use. You can use Mary Kay, you can use Classic, you can use Flawless foundation, Zickel foundation, Milani, Revlon foundation. So any all these foundations are good. It's just the way you apply it. You can see I use a brush first because I want full coverage. I use a brush first to put the foundation. Now next, I'm now using my beauty blending sponge. I'm using my beauty blending sponge to blend the foundation into our skin. Guys, this sponge is all you need for a flawless as in makeup. You just need to be sponging it like that. Sorry for my error of grammar. So you just be putting the sponge like that, like you blend your face perfectly well with your beauty sponge. You blend. When you use a sponge, the makeup is going to be very flawless because that sponge help the foundation to enter into the skin very well. So I do the whole face. So now for foundation, I am using a color. I'm not using something lighter or something darker. And when I'm using foundation, I'll need to be careful when blending the eyebrow region. I'll blend it very well so that it will blend together, not blending into the eyebrow, so I will not clean the eyebrow. So I just blend carefully. That's it, guys. So next, I will be highlighting her face. I can use any product or foundation or concealer, but the thing about highlighting is I will use like a shade or two shades brighter. That is what is called highlighting on the parts of the face that will be highlighted. Don't worry, guys, my baby is just disturbing me for this tutorial we are going to deliver. So we just put our highlighting foundation. Guys, I still use that same Avon foundation, but a lighter shade this time. I put it under her eye. I put it at the bridge of her nose. I put it also at her forehead and under the chin. So those are the places to highlight. You can see how I'm highlighting her face. So guys, I'll be teaching you how to make your client glow, how to make the person glow. This is a glowing oil from Touch Factor. Is available, but if you have other glowing oil you see in the market you want to buy, you can buy as well. So this is a glowing oil from Touch Factor. I just put it on her skin and I'm about to blend it out. So I'll just blend to make the client have a very glowy skin. So now I'm applying her powder. I'm using Milani powder, shade 108. 108 is for fair people, so I'm just using that shade to dab on her face. So I'll be contouring her nose now. I'm just using a powder contour for her nose. Contour, it's a brown powder. That is a powder that is darker than her skin color. That's a contour. So I'm just using it to contour her nose to make the nose look more pointed at this point. And the product I'm using is Lady V powder. That's V Beauty powder. I'm using their dark shade, their darkest shade for contouring the nose. So I'm also touching a little of that contouring powder at the side of her face. That is her cheekbone. Her cheekbone. So sorry, this was the point I was putting my bronzer. I forgot to arrange it properly. So back to my lipstick. So I'm just putting a little lip gloss to make it look more glossy. So this lip gloss I'm adding to the lips is from Tara. So this is their glossy lipstick. So for the lip stain, I am using a V Beauty lip stain, but there are so many other good lip stains. We have Flawless, we have Zickel lip stain, so many lip stains. Jordana lip stain, very nice. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you are going to practice and send me pictures. Let me see your work and see how to correct you. This is supposed to be an interactive class, so